The Helix Bridge, Singapore. The Helix Bridge in Singapore is a futuristic pedestrian bridge that stands out for its innovative design inspired by the double-helix structure of DNA. Opened in 2010, the bridge links Marina Center with Marina South, providing a scenic walkway with stunning views of Singapore's skyline. The Helix Bridge is not just a functional crossing but also a symbol of progress and modernity, reflecting Singapore's status as a global city. The bridge's design, created by a collaboration between Australian and Singaporean architects and engineers, features a complex steel structure that spirals around a central walkway. This intricate design creates a series of shaded viewing platforms where pedestrians can pause to admire the city's landmarks, including the Marina Bay sands and the Singapore Flyer. At night, the bridge is illuminated by LED lights that change color, enhancing its futuristic appearance. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Helix Bridge is its use of cutting-edge technology in its construction. The bridge's steel structure was prefabricated and assembled on site, with each segment carefully positioned to create a continuous helical shape. The result is a bridge that is both visually striking and structurally sound, embodying the marriage of art and engineering.